Children, one of my students sent me this calculation saying that it was difficult to understand as to how it was seen in the internet. Let's give it a try and see how the explanation in detail would look like. Now let's take a binomial expression a minus b whole to the power 2. When I expand this, what would I get? A minus b times a minus b, a into a squared minus AB minus B to minus B plus B square, which is A squared minus 2AB plus B square. Also, children, I can rewrite this, change the position of the terms and write it as A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. This we will use for the further reference. Right. Having that said, let me write it over here. A minus b whole thing squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which again can be written as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Let that be there for our further reference. Fine. Now we know for a fact that the question is x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared is equal to 38. But we have to find the value of x over y minus y over x. Taking this into consideration, taking this particular calculation also into our understanding, let's try to do this sum. What if I expand the square term x over y minus y over x? What will happen? We will have to basically multiply and expand in the way that we did this. So what do we do? Plus x over y into plus x over y, that is this, minus y over x into plus x over y. Remember, when doing expand in these calculations, we calculate the sign, then the numbers, then the letters. Pretty basics. Plus x over y into minus y over x, and this minus y over x into minus y over x. So what do we get here as the answer? Plus x squared over y squared minus, look at this, these can be easily cancelled off because it's multiplication between two fractions. Minus into plus minus 1. Similar, again minus 1, and here plus y squared over x squared, which gives us x squared over y squared minus 2 plus y squared over x squared. Now if you look at the two expressions, you see that there is a certain similarity between them. Therefore, I can rewrite this expression as what? Let me write it over here. X squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared minus 2. Children, the most important part is, originally in the sum itself, it is given to us that x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared is what? 38. Therefore, I can write that this particular part is equal to 38 because it's originally given in the sum. Therefore, I can rewrite this as x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared minus 2 is indeed 38 minus 2. This particular part we can substitute as 38, this minus 2 written as it is. Now the most important part, we should understand for a fact that all of this was possible. We derived this expression. We derived this expression simply by expanding x over y minus y over x to the power 2. Again, we derived this x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared minus 2. This expression was derived simply by expanding x over y minus y over x whole to the power 2. Keeping that in our mind, what can we say now? We can say that this is x over y minus y over x whole thing square. Correct? No? This expression is x over y minus y over x whole thing to the power 2, which is now equal to 38 minus 2, which is 36. So as usual, we know if there is a square term, to get the non-square term, we have to square root it. When we square root it, what we get as the final answer? We get it as x over y minus y over x is equal to plus or minus 6. This is the best possible answer and the explanation I can give. So x over y minus y over x is equal to plus or minus 6. So furthermore, if you have any calculations as such, please let me know. Thank you.